Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Ulat ke Jylla UCH Vijaya Shankar Hanikasngi, ula Pyntian Smai ke kong RV Suchiang IAS bala Shongthat, kum ke State Chief Information Commissioner Haraj Bhawan Shillong. Lasdang ya kini kejilang balingkot da kejingtam ya ke National Anthem, bat nakaliang Principal Secretary ke Tanat Arts and Culture ke Jylla uba Frederick R. Kharkongor, lingba ke jingmenjor jong ulat, ula puli ya ke notification balatung, ya ke kong RV Suchiang kum ke State Chief Information Commissioner jong ke Jylla. La Pyntian Smai da ulat ke Jylla UCH Vijaya Shankar, hakajinan lang ki he officer ke Jylla, ki bahaying hasam jong akong Suchiang, bat ki bala syakhot sungobha. Ya kakong Suchiang latung, bakan long kum ke State Chief Information Commissioner nak bentar laisnam.
Permission, sir. The notification for the appointment will now be read. By the notification number PER 22/2008/326 dated 28 March, in exercise of the powers conferred under Section 15(3) of the Right to Information Act 2005, the Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to appoint Srimati R.V. Suchiang, IAS retired, as State Chief Information Commissioner, Meghalaya, to exercise the powers conferred on and to perform the functions assigned to her under the Act for a period of 3 years from the date of joining or till she has attained the age of 65, whichever is earlier. The term of office, salaries, allowances, and other terms and conditions of service will be in accordance with the right to information, term of office, salaries, allowances, and other terms and conditions of service of the Chief Information Commissioner, Information Commissioners in the Central Information Commission, State Chief Information Commissioner, and State Information Commissioners in the State Information Commission Rules 2019, signed by Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Personnel and ARA Department. Permission, I would request Honorable Governor to administer the oath to Srimati R.V. Suchiang, IAS retired, as the State Chief Information Commissioner, Meghalaya.
Suchiang, having been appointed State Chief Information Commissioner, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, by and law established, and I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully, and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.